Hello everyone, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. We are going to do another walkthrough video. This is Saturday, day 3 of Corvettes at Carlisle. Now, if you saw my live stream, you know that I had like a 5-minute technical difficulty, and most of you's hung through. I appreciate that, because if you did, you got to see my interview with Horsepower Obsessed's own Justin. What a great guy. Anyway, I just wanted to mention him too, so if you do watch the live stream, please, when you get that little blip, it's about at the hour-ish mark. I think it's about at 1 hour mark, right? Just go get yourself a soda, use the bathroom, whatever, and let it play through, because you'll get back to the live stream. But here we go. We're just going to do another walkthrough here. I didn't catch everything yesterday. It wasn't even close. And even my walkthrough on Thursday was only 16 minutes, so there's more to see. We're going to go see it. I'm just going to walk through here. A few of you commented on my live stream that camera work is too fast sometimes. It's really hard sometimes to slow that down depending on the foot traffic here, right? We have less foot traffic here. Doesn't seem to be that many less cars though. So, per some suggestions, and they were all constructive advice, nobody was negative. We're just gonna walk slower here. We're just gonna look. I'll comment on some stuff. If you see me, you want me to look at your car, just say so.
Direct deposit.
That's me. You have a blog? I have a YouTube channel, Corvette Dan. I live streamed yesterday. I'm doing a video right now. You got a car here.
Right there.
All right, so you want to tell us about it. You have to speak up because I lost my microphone.
It's a 2019 Grand Sport.
Nice.
Long Beach red.
Nice. Competition seats, huh?
Competition seats.
7 or 8 speed.
8-speed automatic.
8-speed automatic, full sight, skirts, splitter in the back. Let's look underneath the hood. He's got some custom touches. This looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. How long have you owned it? Since new?
Since brand new, since I got it in May of 2020.
Wow. Impressive. We like it. And I like the high
Stage 3 spoiler.
Yep.
With the wicker bill.
That's beautiful.
Check out the plate.
All right, let's put it on there. I'm parked all the way in the back, but I think my plate is just as good as anyone's here.
Yeah.
It's a Zora.
Oh,
it's
can't
also
argue with that.
It's also the Route 66 plate.
Yeah.
And with the specialty plates, it's also marked, you know, at the end, like the type of specialty it is. It's a specialty series or SS. If you know, famously, someone once asked Zora where the Corvette SS was, and he responded by saying, "I thought all Corvettes were SS." Anyway, love your car. I'll be dropping this video later, possibly for either tonight or tomorrow. It's Corvette Dan. If you just Google that,
absolutely,
you'll find it. And there's also the live stream now.
Okay.
On the live stream, I got an interview with Justin from Horsepower Obsessed.
Yeah.
I cannot believe how nice he is.
Oh yeah, I just met him yesterday.
Wow.
Yeah,
I mean, he said,
guy.
reach out to me if you need any help, any advice.
Super guy.
I bought a shirt from him, and I'm going to wear this on one of my videos and, you know, give him a plug even though he doesn't need it.
Awesome.
Because he has 94,000 subscribers. We have about 6,200.
6,201.
Thank you, sir. Take care. Excuse me. I love to interact with people at car shows. 69 Stingray Custom. There's another skunk. Not with the other skunks, but that's okay. Dare to be different. That's what I say. Let's move on. Oh, I think we saw that one yesterday. I'm not gonna, I was just gonna comment on a car, but it's on another video. We won't do double duty. You want to see things I haven't shown. I remember didn't get around to showing this one. I believe that's the Lingenfelter car. Hi, Kristen Lingenfelter. I'm Corvette Dan.
Hey, Corvette Dan.
You have commented on my Instagram posts.
Have I?
Yes, you have.
Good, I will today too.
And this is Kristen Lingenfelter, and this is Ken, the one and only. I have your autograph on one of my cars.
Oh, wonderful. Good.
I won't bother you too long. It's just good to meet you and see you. And I live streamed yesterday. I'm actually doing a video because, you know what? YouTube's kind of screwy with live stream. It twisted me after about the hour mark. I had to go underneath the tent and fix it.
This is a great show, though.
Yeah, it is.
So you picked a good one to do this
Yeah,
with.
we used to do Fun Fest because I'm local to Fun Fest, Northwest Indiana,
Sure.
and it just, you know, it's pretty much gone to the wayside, so we drove out here.
Oh, very nice.
Well, it was very nice to meet you. Enjoyed the
you as
show.
well.
Love the
Fun.
car.
Thank you.
Take care. That's the Lingenfelters, folks. You know what they're famous for? Going real fast. Oh yes, I remember this car. This car is worth another look, so I'm gonna get it again. This is just a video. This isn't live today, but I'll be dropping this probably tonight at like 6 or 7. 6 or 7 seems to be a good time, and at shows like this, 7 is usually better because then people are sitting around looking at their phones.
Hey, I watched your lift one last night.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
they did. Now that you've seen it, I will tell you, no damage. But that lady was hot, and I don't blame her.
I would have been hot.
No doubt. All right, have fun.
Get the white one, Corvette Dan.
This one, C8. Whoa, look at that. White over red, custom touches, full-length side skirts, splitter, black rims, red calipers, GT 2 seats or GT 3 seats? I don't know. You tell me. Convertible. Beautiful. And you've got to have this spoiler with the C8. The ones without the spoiler, I'm not as big of a fan of. Now here we go. We're moving to a C6, folks. Ghost flames, let's see if we can catch them. We're gonna have to probably go around to the other side. Maybe you could see them. I can see them. But the ghost flames are really tastefully done in a silver gray tint. So nothing on the hood, but let's see if you can catch the ghost flames on this side. And the gray interior, I like the custom lid. Beautiful, thank you. LS3, gotta have the LS3 if you're gonna have the 6th generation, or obviously ZR1 or the Z. Let's go over to some mid-years. I know we've captured some of these on another video. Always worth another look, but let's go get something that I know we haven't captured in some of these cars. I'm trying to get as many cars on my videos as possible because I want people to say, hey, I saw my car on the Corvette Dan channel. I think I need to get something in my own car too. Sometimes overlook that. I was looking for a picture of our 68. My phone, it's like, when was the last time I took any pictures of any of my cars? So if I drop a short or something on one of my cars, please look at it for me. They deserve love too. No pucks. Delaware. Pace car. Let's check out a ZR1 with the low spoiler. If I did another shot of this earlier, I don't care. I love these. Keep them stock. That's all I can say. What else do you need? What else do you need? I know we haven't been down this aisle. This show is very large. If you haven't been here, you've got to come. It's that simple. That's that simple. The Calamari Corvette Club. Okay. That'll work. That'll work.
I'm already itching.
Let's check out this custom C6 with the weld wheels, obviously modified. A little extra power underneath the hood there with the welds. That's carbon fiber on that quarter panel, that's for sure. Big exhaust, carbon fiber spoiler in the rear, carbon fiber quarter panel on this side. Well, we know what this thing is supposedly set up to do, and do it well. We're gonna loop around to our left here in a few. We'll check out this C8. I like it. It looks cool. It looks kind of like the racing livery. I don't know. Let me know what you think. That's the Z. That's a carbon fiber spoiler. I like it. Hope you like it too. Virginia convertible. Come on, you won't hit me. I won't let you hit me. They're turning around. Let's let them through. Here's a Z, obviously modified. I have to check out this. This is one I would love to have, although I would really want a coupe at this point. We have a C7 convertible. Nothing wrong with them, but I would like a little more space. We don't always want to drive multiple cars to shows. I think the next time we come, we are going to have to. Might need to find a new friend. Say, hey, you pay your own way. You can drive one of my cars.
That's what he said. He's like, there was a tall guy, and we thought your girlfriend was here. They were like, he was like, look for Nick. Like, they were looking around for a tall guy with on. So like last time I saw him, I don't think that would have happened. So you see him. A friend of mine has
Northern Virginia Corvette Club, yes. Nice car, sir.
Thank you.
Here comes the Corvette C8R with high wing. Very high wing. Phew, look at that. Let's get a look at that one. What do you think of that? Wow. I'm curious. I'm curious. What's in here? Oh, I remember. I think. Oh yes, this is the NCRS. We captured that yesterday. I like the magnesium rims on the 5th generation cars. I remember this car.
Alright, well, I guess it's hard to do that. Like, it's very good.
50th anniversary coupe. Interesting center cap customization. Interesting wheels on that car. There's more cars here than I think anyone could see in a weekend. And I will say, LT1 convertible, beautiful. This will conclude our walkthrough for Saturday. Stay tuned, Corvette Dan on YouTube, CorvetteDan.com. Thank you.